What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Today we're learning this song from Kings of Leon. Super cool song, and this is what it sounds like. E, C sharp minor, E, C sharp minor, G sharp minor, or this one. A7. It sounds dissonant, but that's actually what it does in the song. But it sounds cool. I use different voicings there. It's not really so many chords. It's just E, C sharp minor, A7, and B. And you can also play the A like this. C sharp minor, B. Okay, I'm gonna walk through it step by step, and you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So, for the intro, let me show you the notes quickly. These are my notes with the strumming pattern down at the bottom. Just check that out. Okay, so for the main verse progression is E, C sharp, G sharp, A, and then a B just before the chorus. Okay, A7. But let's quickly go through that. That's E, down, down, up, down. Just your regular E, and then C sharp minor. Now this C sharp minor, you have to mute the top string, and then you can play the high E string open. Okay. And then E. Up, down, up, C sharp minor. And then it's G sharp minor. Now the G sharp minor voicing that he uses is just your plain E minor shaped power chord. So on the 4th fret, bar, and then these two fingers on the 6th fret, strings 5 and 4. You need to know your bar chords for this lesson. Okay, and then the verse starts actually. It's then E, and then A7. And then you can go to the B just before the chorus. Okay, so just to review there, it's, that makes sense. It's basically, that's kind of like an intro. For all the other verses, they just use this part looped. Okay, so they just loop that part. And here, you can see the A7 and the B7 share kind of a bar. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's actually 2 bars, but the A7 and the B are closer together than the rest of the chords. So these chords change really slowly, and then the A and the B are closer together. You'll hear it if you play along with the CD, so just remember to do that. And then the chorus is very simple, just A for a long time, and then C sharp minor, B. I'll play the chorus for you quickly so you get an idea of what that sounds. So A, C sharp minor, B. Okay, I think the A and the B I have to explain. So if you take your E power bar open chord, you take it up to the 6th and the 7th fret here, 6th fret, 7th fret. And then this finger is on the 6th fret here, 6th string here. That's A. And you can make this an A7, but then you're gonna have to bar. So you can play A7 here rather. But anyways, this is an A, and then this is a B. So that's your A, and this is B. Okay? Simple enough. We're gonna go over the solo in a bit. I just want to show you the notes that the uses. I'm not gonna take it note for note. You can figure that out. It will be actually a good thing to figure out if you just know the select. Hey guys, so my camera just cut out there, but anyway, we're back. I'm not exactly sure where we were, but anyway, this is A, I think it's somewhere here, and this is B, okay? And if you want to play that A7B, because that's really tough, to play this A7, and then go to that B just before the chorus. You want to play this A7. It's going to be 5, 6, 5. It's like a D shape, but one string higher, and on the 5th fret, obviously. Okay, so that's A7, and then B. Okay, and then A, you can do like C sharp minor. This is the chorus. Just make sure you check those notes in the beginning. That will show you everything. Strumming pattern: down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, and you can tweak it slightly. Have a nice day, guys. This song was for one of our subscribers who suggested it. I don't remember his name. I don't have internet. I can't check. So solo. I forgot to record that. Basically, it starts on the root note on the 7th fret. I'm just going to show you the notes, and you can figure out when he plays what. But it starts here on the 7th, and then these are the notes that he uses. 6 on the 4th string, 4 also on the 4th string, and then on the 5th string it's 7, 6, and 4. So, and then on the 6th string it's 7, 5, 4, and 2. So. Something like that. Something like that. I can't remember. But anyway, you guys can figure it out. Have a nice day. If you need more help with that solo, just let me know in the comments and I'll make a step-by-step tutorial for it. Cheers.